I am at the sugar factory, about to get down with my family. You can see we're here, about to try some sweets, some desserts, some food and everything in between. We got a whole bunch of stores up there. Paris Hilton, the Kardashians, T.I., Dennis Rodman, a whole bunch of people on their wall that have been here. So yeah, we're gonna try out all this sugar and sweets. We're in Candyland. You know, so I'm a big kid, so this is heaven for me. Yeah, but we out here, man. We're doing the moving. And right here. And then can I try this one and this one as well? This one, and then this one with the cone right here. That one's good. Now I am trying this one right here. I just want to try this one right here. Thank you. Okay.
You would have to go to the bar over there.
The strawberry now is real good. How's yours?
It's good. I thought it was gonna be good food, but it wasn't.
So I got the diamond rose. They're about to pour it in. What did you get?
Fuzzy peach mango.
The fuzzy peach mango. So they're about to pour it in. We'll see what that looks like soon.
The virgin. What y'all order?
The pina colada is the colada.
That's the Ireland.
You want some pictures?
They about to pour you a drink.
My camera steals right now. Thank you.
About to get down on this. About to taste it. Let's see.
It wasn't this one.
Oh my god, that's good. If you look inside, there's ring pops in there.
All right, that's let's get pushed up.
Cheers. Okay, lift these up. I mean, I guess you can. I could have just shared one of them.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Ooh, look at this. Thank you.
Look at John.
What is that? Some milkshake?
Snickers milkshake.
Snickers milkshake.
This is what I mean.
just got eaten at the Sugar Factory. It was super cool. The drinks were cool. Everything was, you know, it was a fun experience. Food was great. I don't really have any complaints. Yeah, how was your experience, Jayo? A-okay, always A-okay with her. All right, love, peace, and hair grease.